Want to grow a sustainable garden without breaking the bank? In this video, we're heading to the dollar store to uncover 5 surprisingly effective gardening tools and hacks that actually work and help you garden greener for less. Oh, and before we dig in, hit that like button if you love saving money in the garden, and drop a comment if you found your own dollar store gem. $1 spray bottles are perfect for mixing DIY pest sprays like neem oil or garlic and chili pepper blends. Just rinse well before use and label clearly. Small storage bins can become mini composters, great for apartment patios or small yards. Just drill air holes, layer greens and browns, and stir weekly. Pick up aluminum muffin tins or plastic cups. Add drainage holes for instant reusable seed starters. Bonus! You can use clear food containers as humidity domes. Dollar store laundry baskets can grow potatoes vertically. Just line with newspaper or burlap. Add soil and mound as the plant grows. The holes allow drainage and airflow, ideal for healthy root development. Plastic dish racks become stackable herb gardens when paired with small pots. These are great for balconies or tight spaces and can even be mounted for vertical use. You can actually use plastic shower curtains to line wooden planters or raised beds. This simple trick helps prevent rot and also keeps more moisture in the soil. Super helpful if you live in a dry area. Another easy hack is to line the bottom of your pots with coffee filters from the kitchen section. These little filters stop the soil from falling out, but they still let water drain through, which is just perfect. And hey, don't forget about mesh laundry bags. You can drape them right over delicate crops like lettuce or strawberries. They act as a mini insect barrier, but they won't block sunlight, so your plants keep thriving. Okay, quick recap: spray bottles, bins, dish racks, and even laundry baskets can all be total garden gold. The real key is just thinking creatively and reusing with purpose. And if you enjoyed these thrifty garden hacks, make sure to subscribe for more sustainable gardening tips every week. And seriously, share this with a friend who loves to grow on a dime.